You have a newly designated wild and scenic river on your unit, and projects are proposed within or adjacent to the river corridor. You may have heard that these projects may need to be evaluated under Section 7. Let's take a look at what this means and what situations require a Section 7 review. The name Section 7 refers to the Wild and Scenic Rivers Act, Section 7, which addresses restrictions on federally assisted water resource projects that occur below the ordinary high water mark or between the bed and banks of the river, including those on private land. The ordinary high water mark may be on the valley flat or on the floodplain outside of the active channel. The intent of Section 7A is to keep certain rivers free-flowing. While Section 7 applies to both designated and study rivers, this video will focus on designated rivers. Section 7 prohibits new Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, commonly referred to as FERC, hydroelectric projects, while providing protection from the effects of other water resource projects. Evaluating the effects and whether a project may occur in a designated river is called the Section 7 analysis and subsequent determination. There are two situations that trigger a Section 7 analysis and determination. 1. Projects proposed within a designated wild and scenic river corridor, and 2. Projects proposed upstream, downstream, or on a tributary of a designated wild and scenic river corridor. A Section 7 analysis and determination also applies if the project involves any type of federal assistance. Federal assistance includes permits, funding, loans, grants, licenses, or technical assistance. When there is federal assistance, Section 7 applies on both public and private land. For projects within the Wild and Scenic Corridor, the River Administering Agency determines if the project would have a direct and adverse effect on the river values, including free-flowing condition, water quality, and each ORV for which a river was designated. Examples of projects in this category are dams, diversions, restoration and construction projects, boat ramps, and stabilization and channelization projects. For projects upstream, downstream, or at a tributary of the designated river, the River Administering Agency evaluates project proposals under the Invade the Area or Unreasonably Diminish standard. Invade implies there would be encroachment or intrusion. Unreasonably diminish requires an evaluation of the magnitude of loss to a river value. Projects that meet this definition may include dams and upstream diversion structures. A Section 7 analysis will be conducted by the responsible person on your unit. They'll seek input from project proponents, landowners, and other stakeholders before issuing a project determination. Additional information related to Section 7 on both designated and study rivers and a helpful flowchart is available at rivers.gov. The next video in the series is about the effects of climate change. For more information, check out these links.